In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to click on Google. Following that, hit All Services over here. And scroll down again, and this time to choose Autofill with Google. Now select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password at the top. If you don't have any of those options here, that means that you never added a password before. To see Add Password option, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is on. Exit Settings for a second and log in into any app. Input your information, hit Login and wait for the pop-up to show up. When you see this pop-up, hit Continue and go back. Now when you click on Google Password Manager, your password will be here, and with it, Add Password option. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one, like AliExpress. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!